First and foremost, we don't come from money. Most of us, we grow up and there's poverty. We don't have all these luxurious things. And now when you become a superstar, you don't know how to deal with it. Your parents don't know what advice to give you because they were not in this situation as well. So it is difficult. And I've mentioned so many times that, you know, APSA, Visa, and all the other key partners, they obviously need to help us, footballers, athletes in general, to help us. And I mean, in the beginning of my career, I wasted so much money. If I had to think about the money that I wasted on buying different cars, it was such a waste. But no one helped me, during that time. But as time went by, and I outgrew all these nice things, and I became a father, and there's other things that matters more to me than driving a fancy car or having so many cars. And obviously, I got my investments offshore and local, so I've learned a lot of financial things over the last few years, and it's amazing to see how far I've come, from the guy who just wanted to splash money, and now I don't want to at all.